And verse 52, in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trumpet, for the trumpet will sound, and the dead will be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed. So, verse number 52, this is a rapture verse. This is a rapture verse, mga kapatid. Ano ba yung rapture? Rapture verse. Ito yung time na kung saan ay muling babalik ating Panginoong Hesukristo. He will appear in the atmosphere. At ang sabi doon ay in a moment. That moment, twinkling of an eye, sa isang kisap mata, at the sound of the last trumpet, for the trumpet will sound. Sabi doon, the dead will be raised incorruptible. Ito yung mga namatay, believing on Jesus, they will be raised incorruptible. Yung mga katawan nila na nagbulok, na agnas, na abo, sabi doon, they will be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed. Ang prayer natin na sa pagbabalik ng ating Panginoon ay dagnan tayo, na tayo ay buhay. Dito ba? That's our prayer, na mag-rapture tayo, buhay pa tayo, and instantly itong ating katawan ay papalitan ng katawan na hindi na nabubulok, and we will meet the Lord in the air kasama ng mga namatay believing on Jesus. At that moment, at that time, ganun kabilis, isang kisap mata, twinkling of an eye, ganun kabilis tayo papalitan ng ating Panginoon, ganun kabilis ang mga pangyayari. At walang sinuman ang makakaalam ng mga pangyayari na yun. Dahil napakabilis, mga kapatid. That is why, every day, we need to be prepared for that event. Dahil yun yung pinakaabangan natin. Every day, dapat tayo namumuhay prepared, ready for that event, for that moment, mga kapatid. The rapture time event. Na from the time na mag-appear si Jesus Christ in the atmosphere, we are ready. Tayo kukuhanin niya. We will be caught up in the air. Kukuhanin niya lahat ng nalampalataya sa Kanya, was the seal of the Holy Spirit. Kukuhanin niya in just that snap, twinkling of an eye. Wow! We are looking forward for that event.